So I'm watching a video of a horse while on a horse. This is really strange. Okay, stop.
Vision Pro is a new kind of computer that augments reality by seamlessly blending the real world with the digital world. It's the first Apple product you look through and not at. Vision Pro feels familiar, yet it's entirely new. You can see, hear, and interact with digital content. It's in your physical space. And you control Vision Pro using the most natural and intuitive tools, your eyes, hands, and voice. With Vision Pro, you're no longer limited by a display. Your surroundings become an infinite canvas.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're wearing the Apple Vision Pro. I've used the HTC Vive, I've used the Quest 2, I've used the Quest 3, and now I'm wearing this device. Let's find out if it's actually useful. This isn't going to be like a technical review. I'm not going to go through all the details. I'm just going to wear it like a normal human being outside and see if I can live my life through this. The 24 hours is a little bit of a clickbait. And let's see if we're able to gain some thoughts and some insights out of this. And I'll also see if I can compare it to previous headsets that I've owned. Follow me. First thoughts, I've seen a lot of people wear this outside and like run around and stuff. It's not actually that good looking. The pass-through, you can still see it's video. You can still tell it's video. And when you move your head really fast, the pass-through jitters. So it's not, like seeing the real world. It's not like wearing a block of glass and then looking into the world. And even though it's much better than the Quest 3, it's still not that good. It's still not as good as many of the videos make it seem. Let's do the dyno experience. While the pass-through isn't great, I definitely think the quality of VR on this, all the 3D, is really good. Like all the rendering, you can tell it's like sharp. Okay, so we're doing the Encounter Dinosaurs experience. A small little butterfly. Okay, this looks really good. This looks really, really, really good. Yeah, the pass-through sucks, but this is amazing. Oh my god, this is really cool. That was sick. Let's try jig space.
This is a jig. Walk around, lean in to see the details. To continue, pinch and hold with your right middle finger.
Oh.
Jigs can do so much more.
Let's see F1. The Alfa Romeo C43. So this is really good AR because it's like sort of stuck in place. So sitting nicely on the floor, which means tracking is great. The old way of doing tracking, especially on video, is that there are plenty of points in space. You identify the points, usually they're points with high contrast, and you check how they move. As I move the headset, do the points get smaller, do they get bigger? And based on that, you can triangulate how this thing is moving. This though looks pretty fantastic. So let's do one thing. Let's take a spatial video of this place so we can immortalize it. All right, let's do that. So I click here and I say video. And I stop. The interesting thing is people think I can't see them. They're pointing at me and saying things because the old VR headsets, you couldn't see through it, but I can absolutely see through this.
Yeah, my name is Mohammed MQ actually.
Okay.
I'm a brand guy. My company name is Geography. This is my card.
Okay.
So I'm just amazed by the Vision Pro. Just now, say 2 days back, I guess. Some influencer they were like it's far more beyond like if Vision Pro will change the industry.
What do you think?
No, right now I think like the first comer will be like they will be having upper hand in this.
Nice.
Now, what do you think?
I don't know. We'll find out. I'm going to now record
Okay.
footage and then I'll have a video out about it.
Okay, right now the park is I guess closed right
No,
now.
no, I'm going to go sit on a ghoda. Okay, stop. Very quickly. Chal, see you. ಹೊಸ ಒಂದು ಪುಡಿ ದೋಸೆ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಪುಡಿ ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡಿ. A lot of people ask me, why don't you speak Hindi? You're not being true to India and all. But I think there are far more languages in India than Hindi. I speak Kannada, for example. A lot of people don't know that. ಒಂದು ಪುಡಿ ದೋಸೆ ಕೊಡಿ. So the cool part about this is using an app like ChatGPT or GPT Vision. I can look at this and ask it questions like, where does this originate from? Or how many calories does it have? But I know the Meta Ray-Ban glasses can do this as well. So is a $3,500 device really necessary? I don't know.
What's up, Varun?
Hi, what's up? I'm just running around town with the Vision Pro.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Recording a video?
No, I'm not recording a video, but they are.
Okay.
See you. So we were not let in that place because we were wearing the Vision Pro, which is strange because how small does it need to get before people are like, those are just a bunch of glasses, get in. I don't know, this is an experiment.
एक चीज है जिससे सब सॉल्व हो जाएगा, वो चीज क्या है? संघर्ष। आप संघर्ष नहीं करना चाहते जीवन से। जो भी व्यक्ति आपको लगता है टॉप पे पहुंचा है, जो भी व्यक्ति आपको लगता है जीवन में बड़ा किया है, उसने संघर्ष किया है अपने जीवन में।
How to make eggs, let's say. Okay, let's go through YouTube, see something interesting to watch. Watching a video on how to make scrambled eggs.
This is how to make scrambled eggs. I normally have three out of 10. Add 1 tablespoon of
You know what? I never follow guides anyway. So let's see if I can make something that is better than what this guide has given us. Sunny side up. Okay. Yeah. यार दिख नहीं रहा है यार. Despite the fact that all the Vision Pro videos show the person in perfect clarity running around and doing stuff, I actually spilt a little bit because I don't know, it's just a little bit hard to see. Or maybe I'm going blind. Yeah, maybe that's true. Maybe I am going blind. Sometimes the eye tracking is wrong because I sort of click and then my mind moves away, but then I realize it's still tracking my eyes. So one really cool app that I saw, it's actually by an Indian developer, is called Charana. So this is like a 3D environment where I can see like a little bit of the mountain around me. It's probably an HDRI, and then I see the video of Kashmir. This video is super high quality. Oh my god, my eggs. My eggs! My eggs! No, how do I get rid of this? Yes, sir. You know, the honest truth is, this is all just... I could just have a TV in the room doing this. You know, the real question is, what kind of life do you want to live, right? Like, what kind of world do you envision? I don't know if screens all around me are really the path forward. I like the 3D worlds idea more, and while AR looks exciting and interesting. I don't want it to be screens. I want it to be things like a pet you can just run around, which just runs around in the house, like that little cutie over there. This is very interesting. It's a very good V 1.0, but there's miles to go. But thank you, Apple, for showing us the future. I think it's interesting that something like this even exists, and this is what I dreamt of when I was young. But I have seen something like this before with the Quest 3, and therefore it's not such a big leap. But the one experience that did blow me away was the entire like dinosaur experience. I thought that was fantastic. But it needs more of those. It needs killer apps, it needs content, and there's YouTube stuff. I can watch it on my phone, I can watch it on screens. I don't need to buy this $3,500 device for it. The one thing I did like is spatial video. In fact, let's do that, right? Where at the end of the day, let's review everything we have seen today, and let's step into those environments. Let's step into photos. We took some spatial photo and video. Let's see all of them. Ooh, look at this. Wow, this is pretty cool. This reminds me of today. This could be the killer app for the Vision Pro. You can relive memories as if you're actually there. Wow, this is cool. This is my nice little dosa from today. It's pretty cool. I can see how we can bring the real world into VR or AR in this case. Quite literally, right? Like the edge of this thing is blending into the real world. So there is no difference between the fake world and the real world. The lines are blurred.